Welcome back to Product Critique, the home of honest, stylish, and smart reviews. And today, we're diving into the best blouse women's chiffon V-neck ruffle you'll want in your closet this fall. The Simplee women's dressy long-sleeve blouse in a stunning sage green, size large. Let's start with first impressions. The blouse is absolutely eye-catching, elegant without being over the top. The sage green shade is soft, muted, and incredibly versatile. It works beautifully across different skin tones and can easily transition from office hours to happy hour. When you first feel the fabric, you immediately notice the lightness. It's made of chiffon, which gives it that breezy, flowy vibe while still maintaining a polished look. Now onto the design. What makes this blouse stand out is the attention to detail. It features a tasteful V neckline that gives the top a flattering frame without being too deep. Around the neckline and sleeves, you get these subtle ruffle accents that add a hint of femininity without going full romantic drama. It's sophisticated but soft, structured but playful. A perfect balance. The long sleeves are designed with comfort in mind. They're slightly loose with elasticized cuffs, making it easy to push them up for a relaxed look or leave them down for a more tailored feel. It draws the eye vertically, which is not only flattering but also elongates the upper body. You'll look taller, sleeker, and effortlessly put together. Let's talk versatility. This isn't just another pretty top, it's a wardrobe chameleon. Wear it tucked into high-waisted trousers for a business casual vibe. Pair it with dark skinny jeans and boots for a dinner date. Or throw it over a midi skirt with heels and minimal jewelry for a brunch-ready ensemble. It's machine washable. Yep, style and practicality in one. Fit-wise, the blouse offers a comfortable silhouette. It's designed to drape gracefully without clinging too tight. The large size in this case fits true to size, not oversized, not snug, just right. The length hits at the hips, which means you can tuck it in or leave it loose depending on the look you're going for. What I love most about this blouse is how it captures that 2025 fall trend of blending soft structure with texture. You're getting a professional yet relaxed feel, thanks to that chiffon fabric and ruffle design. It's trendy without being trendy for the sake of it. It's timeless, elevated, and easy to style again and again. Now, if you're someone who spends more time wondering what to wear than actually getting ready, this top solves that problem. It's one of those rare pieces that makes you feel instantly confident. Whether you're walking into a business meeting or grabbing coffee on a chilly October morning, this blouse has your back, literally and stylishly. The Simplee women's dressy long-sleeve blouse checks all the boxes. Style, comfort, versatility, and that extra touch of elegance that makes you stand out without trying too hard. Sage green is a go-to neutral this season, and chiffon is as flattering as it gets. That wraps it up for today's review. If you want more wardrobe essentials that blend fashion with function, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next drop. Let us know in the comments, what would you pair this blouse with? Until next time, stay sharp, stay stylish, and keep critiquing smart.